Many, many years ago, I was in the equipment business in Houston, Texas, and I sold equipment to the automotive repair shops. Challenger lifts, Hunter alignment equipment, FMC equipment, all the various things that the shop owners needed to operate their business. That's where I got into helping shop owners become better at what they did so they could afford what I had. But here's a short story I want to tell you. Direct mail works. I sent direct mail out every single week, 1,000 pieces a week for 20 years. Can you believe that? I went into a shop one time in Clute, Texas, and I walked in, and that guy at the shop owner said, "I know who you are. I know who you are. You're Gary Gunn. You're the lift man. You sell equipment." And by golly, I did. He opened up a drawer of his desk, pulled out a stack of direct mail pieces, similar to this. It was a big stack of direct mail pieces. He had saved every single one of those direct mail pieces that I had sent him. And his comment was, "I wondered when you were going to get here and talk to me about some equipment I need." And my question to him says, "You mean I got all this advertising, but you never called me? You were still waiting." Perhaps your customers are in your territory, 2 to 3, 4 mile ranges around your business, and they're still waiting for you to put a direct mail piece in their mailbox. If you want to know more about direct mail and how it works, call me. I'll talk to you about it. 270-282-1262. That's Gary Gunn. Hey, 20 years, 1,000 pieces a week for 20 years. It works.